Alright, here's a look after the stone today. It's July 23rd. Looks a little unsightly, but the first rain will wash out the dirt down. Alright, I'm going to try a different spot. I got a trail that I cut through here for rugged four-wheeling through a creek. See if I can find it. I'm pretty sure it's right here. It's all grown up now. Yeah, here it is right here. So I made a cut. So there's a little creek here. Oh, look at that locust right there. How about we get rid of that? Look at them thorns. Woo! Because up there, I made a video through that creek. It's really wide up here. I made a ford crossing right here. Little creek here. Here it is right here. It's not as deep. Overgrown, man. It hasn't run for quite a while. Either that or I'm not in it. Oh, I'm not in it just yet. Two of them come together up here at the base of this mountain. Yeah, I mean, this is all rock here. I get a full bucket right up in here. And I got a lot of other junk too, but there's going to be a lot of rock in here. So I did a test drop of some of that this last batch because it looked really black, and it's all rock. So, and it's really good small rock. So I feel a lot better now that I ain't getting like all dirt. Alright, where do we want to go with this next one? Get some more. I know where I can get full buckets. going to put this next one a little bit deeper. Hopefully we'll have catfish. I don't know if they'll be able to use them. I mean, I don't know all of the dynamics. I'll put a pocket that's going to be down here. A little deeper. I'll spread it. That's a nice load of little gravel. Let's go get some more. I'd like to smell it. Nice. Got through one of the clover plots, shortcut. Got a big tree root on this one. Pull it out of the pond. Might be my last one for today. I'm starting to feel all them rocks on that gravel road on the way up. Alright, last one. I'll put this one on the dam side. Put it up a little bit higher than these other ones. Running at an angle. Let's keep going this way. Alright, that's it for today. Supposed to get a big storm tonight. So we might be filling this baby up. By golly, I think this pond patch might have worked, man. I've been compacting it every couple of days. And so far there is nothing wet back here from it seeping back up. Alright, so this is the old pond that is going to be connected to this new one that we're working on. And I've been working on patching it, and I put a big giant patch down here at the base of the dam because that's the only place I could really find the leak. And generally speaking, they don't always work, but I believe this one works because it's been a month now almost, and it's been bone dry, no more seepage back here. Up here, I laid the whole inlet here inside of the pond dam with dirt, again, to try and stop that leak. I believe I got it now, so this is exciting, and our current episodes are going to be much more ahead of this one where I actually connect these two ponds. But that's what I'm doing here, just recompacting the pond patch that I did on the old pond, because I think I finally got it cured now. Alright, here's a look after the stone today. It's July 23rd. Looks a little unsightly, but the first rain will wash out the dirt down. And it'll look a little nicer, but it'll serve its purpose. There's lots of little different size gravels in there. I went ahead and ordered a load of 2-inch. It's going to be probably $400 or $500 because I'm out of areas to scab from. Well, I'm not out, but it's time for a load if this thing's going to start filling up. That's what most of this white stuff is. It's either 2 or 3-inch. Man, that's a lot of stone. I mean, this is already probably a couple grand worth if I hauled it all in. Maybe even more for them bigger stones. So I'm going to keep at it, but we got a big storm coming tonight. So we'll see. I went ahead and compacted this upper edge, this lip, so it reduces erosion in here. So I'm looking forward to getting to the next level of fill up, whatever that is, 6 inches, a foot, 3 inches. I guess we'll see what happens. All right, July 23rd, I just put a new marker in the old pond. I don't know where the water's going, if it's just evaporating or if the leak is here again, and I don't know, but we'll see. July 24th or 5th today. There's my second marker. We didn't hardly get any rain at all. Alright, July 24th. We got a little rain today, not much. You could see it soaking in, which it needs to do, upward, but it really didn't lose much water at all. This thing's sealed pretty good, fingers crossed. And I'm continually adding more stone and gravel. It's a very large area to try and cover, at least half of the shorelines. But I'll keep after it. But looking good so far. July 24th. Come on, rain.